So in this Shopify tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to edit your store name here on Shopify. So once Shopify is opened up, I want you guys to go to the left-hand side of your screen, then go down to where it says settings and select that. Once you're on the settings page right here, I just want you to go to general right here, and then where it says store contact details, go ahead and select this option. Now, once you're here at the top where it says store name, you can go ahead and change your name. So if my store is store 2, I can go ahead and say my new store name. If this is your store name and this looks good, go ahead to the top here, press on save right here. And then at the top, as you can tell, I changed my name of my store to my new store name. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit your store name here on Shopify. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.